Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are all doing well. Today we will learn how to open Power BI file and how to save the Power BI file. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for my upcoming new videos. Let's start Power BI. I am opening Power BI software. This is home page of Power BI software. From here, you can open blank report or your recent saved files directly, or you can go to open and browse this device and select the particular file and open. Go to insert, image, and then you can save or save as the file. You can save the file or you can save as the file in different name. Again, I am opening Power BI software. Now you can open directly from recent, or you can go to open and select the particular file that you want to open, or browse this device and select your file and open. In this way, and you can open your file and save your file.